This video explains how to apply a log transformation to a data frame using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to create a data frame, as you can see in lines 1 to 3 of the code. So after running these lines of code, a new data set called data is appearing at the top right, and we can print this data frame to the bottom in the RStudio console by running line 4 of the code. So after running this line of code, you can see at the bottom in the RStudio console that our data frame contains 5 rows and the 3 columns x1, x2 and x3. And the values in these columns are numeric. Now let's assume that we want to transform all these values in our data frame based on a log transformation. Then we can apply the log function, as you can see in line 6 of the code. And within the log function, we simply need to specify the name of our data frame. So in this case, our data frame is called data. And then we need to assign the output of the log function to a new data frame object that I'm calling data log. So after running line 6 of the code, you can see that a new data frame object called data log is appearing at the top right. And we can print this data frame to the bottom in the RStudio console by running line 7 of the code. And now you can see that our new data frame contains the same number of rows and columns as our input data frame. And the values in this data frame correspond to the log transformed values of our input data frame. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.